Okay, today I spot another trade, ARCC on flow algo. As you can see right now, it's already dropped down at this time when I try to do the video. But the thing is, when I spot it in the morning, um, the time is 9:39, so it's like $450,000 of like puts on a strike with a strike price of $19. So I bought like 50 contract at 44 cents. So currently the position right now is the open position is still right now is profit at $550 right now at this point. So I'm gonna hold it overnight and see how it goes. And if you want to trade, flow algo is the way, man.